Yes, this is very interesting coincidence, but with the current rise of the concern about ESG investments, I think we have a unique alliance whereby insurance-linked securities is an asset class which is naturally aligned to majority of ESG principles, and there is something which is very important for any asset allocators. Obviously, advocating for the ILS industry, I would be telling that this is an uncorrelated asset class. But now, in addition to this, I would say that it is fully compliant, not only compliant, but in a very direct line with ESG principles, because insurance-linked securities is something naturally very much concerning about these principles. I mean, put it in this way: everybody know more or less about green bonds and what are they. The point is that green bonds are providing funds, providing finance for pre-event. But there is only one instrument which is providing finance after the event, which is catastrophe bonds, which is part of insurance-linked securities. And obviously, those receipts, if catastrophe bonds paid, must be used into build better practice, providing resilient refurbishment, making society more resilient to natural disasters in future, plus obviously covering a particular event. It allows to overcome all sorts of humanitarian crises and to give an access to the sponsors, to recipients of these funds, to immediate funds to tackle whatever consequences of a large natural disaster. ESG is in the nature of ILS, I would say. I would put it in this way. Also, when investors are looking into ILS as an asset class, they are asking questions about pricing of the weather risk, which leads for a better understanding of all parties of how weather risk is priced. Obviously, climate change coming into the concern, and it has effects on all sides of ILS transactions. Even our classical service providers, who are companies doing models, they definitely very much engaged into the process of changing of scenarios due to the climate change. And this all, I mean, this is all naturally more or less connected to the principles which are declared in ESG, into those endeavors which regulators currently doing all across all over the world, and we have been doing it for decades.